I don't know. What is it?
It looks like it says my name. It's Legos. Here.
Well, how do I know that's a Lego?
Because it is Lego. It says a sound. Here again.
So and it has my name on it? It's for me?
No, it has my name. L-U-K-E. My name.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that says Brett.
Look. Yay, it's for me.
Oh, it says Mom and Dad on there.
No, it doesn't.
It says to
Luke
from...
Brett. Yeah. Oh, Mom and Dad. I'm doing this. Now, record.
No, now you fogged up the whole thing.